Hey guys, welcome back. In the last lecture, we worked with select and from clauses to fetch the data from the table. Okay, and this is not limited to the Postgres SQL only. You can use the same select and from clause syntax to fetch the data from any SQL database adapter. Like you can use it on SQL and MySQL and Postgres. Okay, now in this lecture, we will see how we can provide aliases to the column names or table names into Postgres or into an SQL query. Okay, so we can use the as clause. Okay, so you can see the name on my screen, that as clause for aliasing the columns. Okay, so switch to the PSQL console and we will use the as clause to fetch the data. Okay, and here you can see that we can alias like let's say select star from sorry select id as, and we can say, let's say, roll number. Okay, id as roll number, name as let's say full name, from students. Okay, and when we run this query, here you can see that we aliases our column. Now the id is coming into the result as roll number and the name is coming into the result as full name. Okay, so in the resulting relation that we get from this query with select id as roll number, name as full name from students, you can see that what we are getting the roll number attribute instead of id and full name attribute instead of name. Okay, so this is the attributes in our resulting relation. Okay, and you can same in the same way you can also alias your table name as well. For example, let's say use students as users. Okay, now if you run this query, you will still get the same output. Okay, so what this query is running, that select id as roll number, name is full name, from students as users. So this query is still working fine. So here we can see that how we aliases our table column names and our table name. Okay, so you can alias using as clause. Okay, and that's it for this lecture. Now in the next lecture we will work with the where clause. Okay, so till then try this select and from clause with the as clause by aliasing your column names, and we will meet into the next lecture. Till then, tata, goodbye, take care and stay safe.